Hey guys, welcome back to Douche House. To be honest with you, I had no clue what today's video was going to be. Would it be a vlog, a tourist guide, or just a plain old informational video? I had no idea. I just sat in a car and went out with a friend and roamed the city. And we just talked about where we are in life right now and what we did in the past, the days we spent in school trying to impress girls. We talked about the day we left it all behind for a better future. And I know that all of you have made decisions in life that have led you to where you are today. In my case, I'm a 21-year-old guy living in a city far away from family and friends, just so that I can leave a legacy behind. We talked about how we never realized that we were living in the good old days until we left. You know what I'm talking about, don't you remember? Maybe you remember that day when your friends took you out to eat at McDonald's, and maybe the day you accidentally crashed your car, or maybe you even remember the day your crush first talked to you. Maybe you remember that day from school where your best friend failed to show up, or you remember that day when the teacher made you sit with your crush and the whole class went bonkers. Maybe you remember pulling your shirt down so the class monitor doesn't notice you forgot to wear a belt. Though I bet you remember how better the food tasted before the lunch break. Maybe you forgot the late night talks and the anxiety you felt while talking to your crush. But I bet you remember the cold nights with the heaviest blanket keeping you warm. And maybe how annoying that song Despacito was. Life can be difficult, it can be unrelenting, it can make you want to doubt and give up on yourselves. I know that. I've gone through that, and if you ever feel like questioning yourself at a lonely night in bed, remember that today will only be a memory. So let's make those memories. Today can be the day you asked her out. Today can be the day you went on an adventure. Today can be the day you decided on your new business. Today can be the day you started your new low-calorie diet. Today can be the day you changed your life. All because you wanted today to be memorable. Tomorrow isn't promised, and people will tell you that life is too short. And to hell with them. Life can be anything you want. Problems will always arise, but they will be left in the past with your memories. So do the first thing that comes to your mind after watching this video. It can be something big, it can be something mundane, but just do it. And create a memory. And share that memory. Because today is all that we can control.